So, sorry, there's a huge glare in the background. Hey guys, sorry about a really good wig. I am so angry. My natural hair looks like. I could have had this for free. Oh my god, this makes me sad. I think one of the reasons that I cut my hair off is because it reminds me of my childhood. It was so embarrassing. It's actually so embarrassing. Not that I'm not embarrassing now. Some sort of self-awareness, but I want to go out in it. I think I hate having long straight hair so much. Just gotta razor it all. Or it could be bald. So the part that I'm scared of is kind of like cutting this lace, because I don't know how to do that, and I think to do it, we have to glue it down. So from what I've seen, you have to pull it down a lot and then cut it out. Wait, I have this. I don't really actually have. This feels so bad. I'm gonna draw. Okay, this is kind of the result. I love it. I kind of love it. I don't like it. I feel too fake. I want to take it off. I thought I would feel better with this stupid hair on, but I actually feel like ugly. I feel like I'm cosplaying a girl or something. I don't know if you can tell it's a wig or not, and I'm self-conscious that people are gonna be like, I fear to go to the grocery store. I do look very Y2K though. I went all around town with it. Anxiety about wearing this wig out is pretty much gone. I'm a purple hair back, so I'm gonna take it off and it's gonna hurt. How do you take off a wig cap? Oh, shoot, if this rips out my hair. Dude. Okay, it didn't. I look great.